I think Angelo Matthews brought the wrong helmet. Had to really ask the 12th man to get me another helmet.
Should have been ready, is what the message is. Was he ready to take strike? They have appealed, Bangladesh.
I think Angelo Matthews is trying to explain to Saqib that there's something wrong with the strap which really holds a helmet on your head, and I think Bangladesh just appealed, and the umpire says yes, you time out, you got to go back. And
oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Angelo Matthews given out without facing a ball. Timed out. You have to be ready to face the first ball within 2 minutes. Matthews was not, and hence been given out. That's a first timed out that I've come across in the recent past. 135 for 5.